Hey guys, BigDaddyHoffman1911, and I got my buddy here with a new shotgun.
Hey guys, HC494, and right now I have my new Remington 870 pump action 12 gauge. I have a XS big dot front sight on it, just a regular old sling. I've got a Picatinny rail on the front of it, a tactical foregrip, and I have a saddle on the rear and a saddle on the sides loaded up with slugs. I have a shell holder stock that holds 4 extra shells, and I've got 3 extra shells on this side. So altogether, if you know how to ghost load, then you can actually carry 26 shells on this shotgun altogether.
How about that?
Yeah, so pretty much all you gotta do is grab the shotgun and run out. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready, sir. That's sweet.
One emergency reload in there.
Great job. You're gonna enjoy that one.
Oh yeah. I'll load this thing up with some slugs and pop a couple of these targets here. Oh, and I have a variety of ammo in it too. These are all slugs that are in my saddle here, and then inside the stock I keep more slugs. And then these are a double-aught buck. I might shoot one of these out of it too. Next.
Good deal.
All right, let's put some ears on.
All right.
Let me sling this. Is everybody ready? Everybody got on their ears?
Ready.
All right. Scouts out.
Looks like the Army trained you well.
Well, you got to carry a spare gun.
That's right. Yeah, guys, check out his channel. I'll post it underneath this video. Thanks for showing that, buddy.